Hey teachers, we're going to Google Magic Schools, Magic School.ai, and see how we can make magic in our classrooms. So you just go here, you log in. Well, I already had set up an account, so you would just log in with Google. And so we're going to start with the front interface, what you see when you first log in. You will see magic tools. You will see the chat box where you go and have a chat with. And I'll talk about that a little bit later. Your output history, how you launch it to your kids. Your students can also use it. And then some other little tools for teachers. But I want to come over here to everything that it offers. You do vocabulary lists. You could create songs, choice boards, using in student centers or for homework. I love you can customize a tool if you would like. Um, they have generators, image generators where you could come up with images, things you want to present in your classroom, um, slides, lesson planning, quizzes, worksheets, anything you can think of. You can come on Magic School and participate in some of the free options. Now, I'm not sure of the price. You can upgrade if you want to. Um, but it's so many things you can do. And if you don't see anything, you can go to the search tool and probably type it in and it will pull up. You can get letter recommendations. You can type up a quote of a day to your students. It's so much. I don't want to overwhelm anyone. So what I do want to look at, I want to do something quick that I did earlier for my master teacher. We were working through some things and we needed some more worksheets, or not worksheets, some more um, like assessment or quizzes and form of tests that we can use for our with our students to test them on a certain standard. So I went to my standards and I copied and pasted. I want to find math word problems. So instead of looking, I'm just go up here for math, type in math word. Look, pops up. Okay, third grade is my level. I keep it at 3 questions. I can speak or I can pen. I can upload something that I have and have them make it from there. Or I can just copy and paste if I want to. And I want them to generate 2-step word problems using a letter for the unknown. And then a topic. So we are bulldogs at my school. That's our mascot. So, I put Baxter. Baxter, the bulldog. That's our bulldog name on campus. All right, and so I just come here and I hit generate. So what it did for me, it created 3 word problems that relates to my standard that I put in. And so I'll just have it read aloud for us.
Baxter the Bulldog's School Adventures. Baxter the Bulldog loves collecting tennis balls for the school playground. On Monday, he found 24 tennis balls in the park. The next day, he found 13 more balls, but he had to give 8 balls to his friend Rocky. How many tennis balls does Baxter have now? Baxter.
All right, so that was just one of the word problems that it generated for me. Now, if I wanted to put in an action, and then we have some other things you have to upgrade for, like can you provide the solution to the problem or some strategies. But if I wanted to add on, I would come into send in a message, but that's also upgrade. Let's see how much upgrade. All right, so upgrade is $8 a month, $8.33, and yearly plans about 100. Okay, and then you can get enterprise, which $100 using this may not be so bad, um, because you're gonna use it for a lot of things. It's gonna really come in handy. So I may think about purchasing it. All right, so we come here to actions. You can put translation. If you have students with that are EL, you can add more questions. You can change the length of the question. You can make a summary of what we're talking about, or you can do some customization. So I think I want to customize, and I'm going to say, of course I can because it's upgrade. But let's see if I can add a question. Translate. Okay, let's translate. Espanol. All right, so I have some parents that if I was to send this home for homework, would probably appreciate this. So they would be able to use this to help their child at home understand how to answer the word problems. All right, that's pretty cool. Let's see if we can do any other actions. Longer, shorter, summarize, custom. All right, so no, we'll have to pay for everything else. But if you want to customize it, you can. Or if you want to go up and change the name, you can. So I thought that was pretty good. I showed her that today. So that's something cool. Another thing I like, it's just so much on here. I was able to create a math spiral review. All right, so same steps, put your information in, what's your math content, what you want to talk about. So I'm going to do a spiral review on, let me copy and paste my standard I wanted. Addition criteria, if I wanted to make it about anything, make them word problems, makes it easy, some difficult. Scalpel questions. Now let's see what it gave us. Third grade division and multiplication spiral review. Think about multiplication to solve this division problem. Okay, so that was one of the standards where um, you have to use the opposite, kind of like community property, use the opposite operation to solve. Okay, what number times 8 equals 32? All right, I like that it kind of um, give them some hint. That good. And of course, you can go in and do some edits if you need to. Now, if you pay for it, you can just export it out real quickly. But um, you can also just copy and paste this and put it into your own Google Slide or Google Doc. Simple things, or add it into Kahoot or any other quizzing gamification platform. So if you just want to learn more about it, you can like this video or comment and just let me know you want to practice or learn a little more about how to use Magic School. Thank you.